Hi there. Your wall clock should arrive in the next day or so. Now this one winds slightly unusually. As it's American, everything towards the number 12. So the left hand train, like so. Make sure you give it a full wind. Will wind clockwise towards the number 12. The second train hole will also wind towards number 12, but anti-clockwise. Okay? Lovely. The pendulum is hung. Should we lock that off? The bezel off. It's hung below. I don't know if you can see. And it hangs on a little hook and hoop format. Okay, thank you.